If you have ever seen an image online and wanted to search it quickly, or if you are looking for the Google Lens search icon on Google Chrome but cannot find it, you probably think it's not available on your computer. A lot of people don't know this feature exists. In this video, I will show you how to enable the Google Lens search icon on Chrome on your computer in a simple way that anyone can follow. Watch till the end. Let's get started. First, open Chrome and go to the top right, click on these three dots, go down and click on Settings. Here in the left side, you're gonna click on Appearance. Here you're gonna click on Customize your toolbar. Here you're gonna scroll down. You're gonna find here Search with Google Lens. You're gonna click here to enable this feature here. And this is how you can enable Google Lens search. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.